Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I am going to be cleaning up my boys' room. I've said it before, but for anyone that doesn't know, my 3 older boys share a bedroom, and so I had to go in there and kind of clean up. I do this like once a month, go through all their things and like just declutter a little bit. It's not too bad, honestly. I feel like for 3 boys, they don't have a lot of stuff, so yeah, I like to keep it like that, very minimal. I always go through their toys and their clothing and just always organize it for them so it's not so messy. And yeah, I hope you guys get a lot of motivation, and if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like, and if you're new, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. Also, if I sound a little stuffy, sorry, I have really bad allergies. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. So I am just going to fold the blankets and the sheets because the night before, which was a Sunday, I had washed their sheets and I can't talk. Put them on the bed so they didn't need to be washed or anything. So that's what I'm gonna do. Then I'll be wiping down their bed because you can see all the little fingerprints. And here's the evidence of them sneaking stuff in their room and, like always, throwing things on the side of their bed or anywhere they can supposedly hide it from me. Like I'm never going to find them. And then I'm taking out all this dirty laundry out of their closet because I never put the bin back, so all the laundry was on the floor. And like always, I have a pile of clothes that I have to wash because I can never keep up with it. And when I do a great job about it, I'll do all my laundry in one day. But when I'm terrible at it, I wash and I dry and then I never put it away, and it stays there for days. So yeah, I'm just terrible at that. Since we're going to be using the heater soon, I am vacuuming out the vents because they're on the floor and they do collect like crumbs or dust or anything like that. I'll be wiping down their walls. I always like to do this just to kind of keep the walls clean, even though if you would see them in person, they are terrible. So if you guys remember, I had the cube organizer in their closet, but I actually took that out and I put it in my closet, and I keep my younger son's clothing in there right now and his shoes. I ended up putting that bin in there. What is that, like a sterilite? I don't know how to say it. I keep all their toys in there, and I had actually decluttered and reorganized the top of their closet, what you can see there. So, but I did not record it, so I'm just letting you guys know that that's what I did. So
out of breath. This is all their clothing from their closet. And what I'm gonna do is get rid of any hangers like from the store, like these ones, and also go through all their clothes and see which ones they wear and which ones they don't. And yeah, so I'm gonna declutter some of their clothing just to get the ones that they really do use and the ones that are gonna be hand-me-downs for the next one. I'll put those away. Let's do this.
I was also babysitting my nephew, so right here he was getting a little tired and fuzzy, so he wanted me to carry him around. So, you know, mommy/aunt duties. And can we just pretend that my hair doesn't look like that from the back?
Wash this massive pile of laundry. And these are some of the clothing that I'm actually gonna save for my mom. Huh. Ahorita voy, okay? And all these are the hangers I'm gonna just throw away.
So I hope you guys liked the video. I had to put my nephew to sleep, so there he is sleeping. Don't forget to hit that like if you guys enjoyed it. And like I said, if you're new, please consider subscribing. And at the end, I put a little clip because on this day, we actually went to the pumpkin patch. So thank you guys all for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
I think he's getting dizzy. Look at he stops spinning. He's gonna start screaming.